Such a wonderful morning. Fatty, Fatty. Hey, Fatty, where are you? I'm worried.
I know you are searching for Fatty. I saw her going towards jungle. Listen. I will also come with you. I can help you to find her. See. There is big door. I never saw this door before.
Cookie darling, to find Fatty, I have to go through this door. We will meet soon. Thank you so much, Cookie.
Wow, it's so beautiful.
Forgiveness. That's your. I know you're no good. I know you're no good for me.
What is that? Such a big mirror.
Who are you? Please don't hurt me. I beg you.
Hey, relax. We are here to help you. There is a big fountain. We will take you there. That fountain is magical. Ask him to help you. He will surely find your Fatty. Let go and enjoy flying.
God, please send her back.
Baby been about. Shit where your margin gave you go and bust it out. Make a simp pay bit.
Hey, Fatty. Finally, I found you. I love you, my darling.
Pain, don't wanna go, it has a whole.
Thank you, my friends. Bye. Finally, Atty and Fatty are together.